Hello and welcome to the video and Happy New Year. For those of you that have been watching the channel over the Christmas period, you'll know that I'm giving away an Emacs TinyHawk. So it's about time I pulled the names out of the hat. I need to say a massive thank you to everybody that got involved with the spirit of the giveaway and left season's greetings and best wishes for Christmas and the New Year on that video. Some of the comments were genuinely touching and a lot of them were really thoughtful. So thank you to everybody who took the time to look at the videos over the Christmas festive season and to leave a comment and a like. So it's time we pull the name out of the hat. So as usual, I'm going to copy and cut and paste the URL for the video into a random comment picker and upload all of those comments into this tool. Now there was over 1,000 comments on the video, but less than 1,000 once you've got rid of duplicates and other pieces. So, drum roll, if I click pick a winner, the winner is RC Pilots. RC Pilots, congratulations. Quickly looking at your channel, it looks like you are already very into radio control, particularly fixed wing, a man after my own heart. So, RC Pilots, congratulations again. Happy New Year to you. Pop me your contact details on email to lee@painless360.com and I can get this out in the post to you. Commiserations to all of those of you that didn't win this time. Do make sure that you are subscribed and you're hitting the bell notification icon down below as well, as I will start to sneakily pop in towards the end of review videos or technology videos, giveaways as well, just to spread some of this love around and some of the technology that I'm not getting to use. So thank you again for all the help and support over 2018, and here's to a fantastic 2019 for the hobby, all of you and the channel. Thanks for watching the video and watching right to the very end. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you like the video and like what I'm doing here, then hit the subscribe button and hit the bell notification icon too. If you really like what I'm doing, you can go the extra mile and become one of my Patreons for access to me directly for support and also giveaways and regular updates too. If you're looking for particular content, then check out the playlist. I organize all of my videos into playlists, so if you're looking for a particular topic, you can find everything here. If it's called Introduction To, it's designed to start very simply and build on that simple introduction to teach you all about it. If it's called For Beginners, then that is really aimed at people who are brand new to that part of the hobby. You can also search on YouTube for anything that you're interested in using the search function at the top. So iNav Painless360 will find all of my videos and even the playlist around iNav. So thanks again for watching and happy flying.